Japan, an island nation in East Asia, is a country where the past and future coexist in perfect harmony. With a rich cultural heritage and a global reputation for technological innovation, Japan continues to captivate the world with its unique blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge modernity. Located in the Pacific Ocean, Japan is made up of 4 main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. The country is known for its stunning natural beauty, from the snow-capped peaks of the Japanese Alps to the serene cherry blossoms that bloom each spring. Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest mountain, stands as a symbol of the nation's natural majesty and spiritual significance. One of the most fascinating aspects of Japan is its deep-rooted cultural traditions. From tea ceremonies and calligraphy to kabuki theater and sumo wrestling, the Japanese have preserved their heritage with great pride. Temples and shrines are scattered throughout the country, offering a glimpse into the nation's spiritual life, which is influenced by both Shintoism and Buddhism. Historic cities like Kyoto and Nara are home to ancient temples, traditional wooden houses, and geisha culture, transporting visitors back in time. At the same time, Japan is a global leader in innovation and technology. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka are bustling metropolises where towering skyscrapers, neon lights, and high-speed bullet trains reflect the country's advanced infrastructure. Japanese companies such as Sony, Toyota, and Nintendo have become household names worldwide, contributing to Japan's reputation for quality and innovation. Education and discipline are deeply valued in Japanese society. The country boasts one of the highest literacy rates in the world, and its students consistently perform well in global academic assessments. This emphasis on education is a key factor behind Japan's technological and economic success. Japanese cuisine is another cultural treasure that has gained international acclaim. Dishes like sushi, ramen, tempura, and miso soup are enjoyed globally. But nothing compares to experiencing them in Japan, where freshness, presentation, and seasonality are essential. Traditional meals often reflect the country's appreciation for nature and balance. Despite its achievements, Japan faces several challenges, including an aging population, declining birth rates, and the risk of natural disasters such as earthquakes and tsunamis. Yet, the country continues to adapt, embracing robotics and artificial intelligence to help address societal issues and ensure a sustainable future. Tourism in Japan has grown rapidly in recent years, with millions visiting annually to experience the nation's culture, history, and hospitality. Whether it's wandering through ancient temples, skiing in Hokkaido, attending a summer festival, or simply enjoying the peace of a Japanese garden, there's something in Japan for every traveler. In conclusion, Japan is a land of contrasts and connections, where the ancient meets the futuristic, where nature meets technology, and where discipline meets creativity. It stands as a powerful example of how a country can honor its past while boldly stepping into the future.